take a look at this $300, $250, $550, and all the way up to $600. Receive PayPal notifications just like this one in just 1 hour. Isn't it awesome? Now, how would you spend that money with the holidays coming up? Maybe you would want to purchase a new phone or computer, or perhaps buy gifts for your friends and family, or even save up to buy your dream car with this amount of money. And also, with this amount of money that you could potentially earn with this method, too many things could change. I mean, with an easy $1,000 PayPal money a day, and it all starts from this 10-minute video that you're watching right now. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Alright, let's get right into the video. Now, before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and sign up for an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the necessary details and log in into your very own PayPal. If you don't want that option or you don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. First and foremost, I want you to go to this website called respondent.io. Basically, you can earn PayPal money easily, and this website can help you do just that. Now, I want you to stay with me because somewhere in this video, I will show you how to earn money like $100, $200, $500, or even for this amount over and over again. And the best part is, at the end of this video, I will even show you another hidden way to double the money faster while letting others do all the hard work for you. Now, make sure you stay tuned so you don't miss out. So, when you get to the homepage of this website, I want you to click on this one to get started, and then you will see this first. Let us make sure you are in the right place. Do you want to sign up as a researcher or a research participant? Now remember, you need to click on this. I am a research participant because we are going to get paid in PayPal money for participating in different research projects on this. So just click on this URL link right here and click on the sign up as a participant. And over here, you can see you can sign up using a social media account. Simply put your email address right here and just click on the sign up button. Otherwise, you can sign up using your Facebook or LinkedIn profile. It is actually a very simple sign up process, but make sure you go and check your email inbox to verify your account and also activate it. Once you log into your account, go to your dashboard, and from there, you can browse different projects to earn PayPal money online on this website. As you can see here, there are many different projects right on the dashboard, and when I scroll down, I can see that there are literally hundreds of projects that you can join, and they are all completely free. When I scroll further down, we can see that this one was just recently posted, and this website is really active. They are regularly adding brand new projects that you may join to earn money quickly and easily. You can even click on this load more button when you scroll down to the bottom, as you can see here, and they will load up hundreds of other projects, but you can join right immediately on this website and get paid a lot of money. So pay close attention since this is quite important at this moment, because I would like to give you the first tip regarding this website. Now you can see that there are different categories of projects that you can join to earn PayPal money. There are software developers, marketers, executives, salespeople, and business owners, among others. There are 6 different categories of projects that you can join on this website to earn PayPal money, and different projects will pay you different amounts of money. Now this one right here will pay you this amount, and so on. Right now, I want you to focus on just 2 of these main categories to make the most money. Number 1, executives, because you get extra money for just an hour. And you can see here that in just 1 hour, you can earn an extra of $700. And the second category, which is the business owners category, where you can earn an extra $500 in PayPal money per hour by simply joining this project. If you like the video so far, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it. Get notified of the next upcoming videos by clicking the notification bell so you'll be the first to know how to make money online fast and easily. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. So the first bonus tip is to remember to join in the business owners and executives category. And this is the first step that I want to share with you. And by the way, once you're logged in into your account, you can actually see this filter button so we can narrow down our options and select the various projects that we want to join. Now I want you to click on remote because there are hundreds of thousands of projects out there, and when you click on remote, they will start filtering out other projects that are available for you to work on, which means you can work whenever and wherever you want. You can just use your phones or turn on your computers and work as much or as little as you want. To choose a remote is very important. Don't worry, there are still hundreds of projects available for you to choose from. Now listen up, because the next thing you can do on this website is check this compensation range. You can filter out how much money you want to earn on this particular project now. For example, you can start with $5 all the way up to $1,000. When you scroll this one right here to about $200, somewhere between $200 to $1,000. Here is how much money you can make, and if you scroll down, you can even get paid at a greater rate. Now, for example, $300. Just look at all of these high-paying projects that you can join. There are plenty of them, and they pay you even up to $500 in free PayPal money. That is why I want you to go ahead and filter out the compensation range to about $200 to $1,000 so you can just join in all of the projects that pay you more PayPal money. Now here is the estimated time for you to complete a project, such as this one, where you may make a good amount of money while doing it in a short period. Now you may work on this one for a little longer and make this amount. The amount of money you can get depends on the number of work you complete, but they give you a pretty high rate for a really basic job. Now you can filter the time on the section and change the time of the project that you want to join. For example, if you want to join all the projects that are around 5 to 15 minutes, you can see here all the projects that are just around this amount. As you can see here, these are the project selections after filtering. In this case, these are the projects that are based on the selected payment of $100 to $1,000. So if you want to participate in this project, go ahead and click on the title of the project. You can see here, this is the estimated time to finish the project, and you can get this amount for your payment. They are going to give you some instructions that you have to do. Just click on this button and you have to answer a few simple questions like what is your name, what is your job, where you are coming from, and what is your age, and so on. And once you complete these questions, you can begin to join a project and start earning PayPal money online. As promised, since you've watched the video up to this point, I would like to give you a bonus. Now by showing you the second method, which is somewhat hidden, to make extra PayPal money fast and help double your earnings, you can do everything on this website without doing any of the hard work yourself. This is one of the simplest ways to earn your sweet bucks very quickly. You can actually get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to this paid research study. That means you don't have to join this project yourself. You can just refer to other people and earn PayPal money. This is where the magic happens. You can literally just go in and share your referral link to other people. Don't worry, I will show you a really special site where you can post your referral link and receive a lot of traffic while earning a lot of money. I will provide you 2 templates that you can simply copy to make a lot of PayPal money online. So just keep an eye out and stay tuned for that. As you can see, your average referral bonus is $50 for each person you suggest. You can earn $50 quickly with no restrictions once more. This is a large sum of money. Consider this. If you recommend 10 people, you may earn $500 without working on any of these projects. Now, this is really a nice passive income stream that you can do through webmastersun.com. Now, this is a forum about generating money that not many people are aware of, and I simply want to share it with you because I believe it might help you earn even more money and obtain your sweet cash. When you come over to this topic, you will see that many people are posting, such as this one right here, and many more of these forum postings. Now, if you go down below, you can see the number of views as well. It has this many views along with this one and this one. If you do this, you can get a lot of clicks, a lot of views, and a lot of free traffic to click on your referral link. And if they join, you will get paid $50. Now, I understand that many of you may not know what to say in the post, which is why I'd want to share my forum post template with you so you can basically copy and paste and start making PayPal money. This is the template, as you can see. Hi there, I am State Your Name right here, and I am new to this forum. Lovely to meet you guys. Just wondering if anybody here put out respondent.io before. I've come across the site where they provide different earning options which seem wonderful. Now all you have to do is paste your referral link here, and thank you. Now the reason why this is so powerful is that you are not pushing or spamming people. You are basically just asking for their opinion, and there will be a lot of people who will be very curious to click on this link, and when they come over to the website, they can decide whether or not to sign up. Well, some of them might not sign up, but some of them eventually do and start doing the job, and you are going to get $50 of PayPal money each time, and you can stack up against your passive income every single day. Now on to the second post that I'd like to give you. I just had to share this with you a few days ago. I came across this website that pays out $50 up to $100. Do you want one for yourself? Check out to see if the job is still available, and then you will just put your link right here. So here are the two templates I promised you guys. You can just copy and paste my two posts. Now you can pause the video, take a screenshot, or use the print screen. So these are my two copy and paste templates. You can just use this form right here. You can make a lot of PayPal money online by simply referring to people and earning $50. The second method that I just showed you is even better than doing the project itself, but when you combine both of these methods together, you can make a lot of PayPal money fast and easy, and that is it. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.